Darren. It is very hard for... Will you stop picking Jamie's cluckle? It's very hard for him to read when you're clucking like a chicken.
Did you say chicken, Randy?
Yes.
You are right.
Here I go. Darren, how many times not to be as an animal?
Oh.
Quack, quack, quack. Darren, stop quacking like a duck.
You're right again, Randy.
Oh, you just quacking like a duck. I think you're right, Jamie.
Here I go.
Darren, stop being a monkey business.
Wow! Oh, you're right again, Randy.
You okay, Darren?
I'm fine, Jamie.
You're just being as a monkey.
Oh.